Hey, do you want to build your own t-shirt business online without any inventory? I'm going to be using print on demand to do this. That means I do not have to buy any t-shirt blanks from overseas. I don't have to buy a printing press. I don't have to buy all that big fancy machinery. And I definitely don't have to print, pack, or ship anything myself. You can watch me do it all inside my membership. Then you can build your own right along with me. You see everything, including my store. So basically, how did this come about? Well, I've been running a group membership for a long time, and this can help you because of this reason. The best way to learn something is to watch someone else do it and then do it on your own. So, just quick story time. My 18-year-old daughter has a vehicle and she wanted to learn how to change her winter tires to her summer tires. So, she asked me if I would teach her. Of course, I jumped at the chance, as a good dad would, and I said, okay, I'll do the first one and you watch. We'll both do the second tire, and then you're up for tires 3 and 4, and it worked. This is where the idea of pivoting PPC Coach to building a brand new Shopify t-shirt store with my members watching and learning came from. So if any of this sounds familiar, let me know. Like you've always wanted your own profitable online store, but you didn't know where to start or what you could be selling on it. You might have spent countless hours watching way too many YouTube videos talking about places like Etsy or Amazon Merch on Demand or Redbubble or Shopify, and you're getting frustrated with no specific direction, no game plan, no step-by-step information, or maybe you bought a course or 2 or 3 or signed up for some expensive coaching program and it's not going as well as you like. So you're struggling to figure out like who is telling the truth online and you're not enjoying that at all. If that's you, then you already know like it's a minefield out there in order to get quality advice. That's what inspired me years ago to build this place. So I'm really sick of hearing stories about good people just like you being stuck and let down in the pursuit of becoming your own boss and owning a successful online t-shirt store. And that's all thanks to, those sleazy internet marketers who promise a world, come out firing, and then disappear on you once they have your hard-earned cash in their grimy little paws. Or straight up fakers who don't even sell anything online yet they pretend they're some kind of wizard at this stuff. Or the Etsy guru who got lucky in 2020 selling some t-shirts on Etsy and now they're peddling their courses, coaching programs, and software as some miracle solution to your dilemma. Or those long drawn out YouTube videos that could have got to the point in 30 seconds but blather on for 30 minutes instead, all in the sake of making some ad money from their YouTube channel, or even outdated methods that just don't work anymore. Believe me, there's a lot of them out there. That's all behind you now because you found this place. This is the PPC Coach Group Coaching Program. And you might be thinking, what the heck is the name? Well, the name has nothing to do with what we're doing in there. That's just been my brand name for ages. So the forums is where this all takes place. And it's the best training community for anyone who wants to learn how to sell t-shirts on their own Shopify store successfully. You'll be watching me build one live, and it's unique. Nobody else does this. By doing it live, it means you get the most up-to-date possible methods and training, plus the community support you need to ensure that you achieve your full potential. So we're going to help you to build a business, attract buyers with paid and free methods, generate ideas, research, make sure you're making the right things, make sure your designs are good, make sure your mock-ups are wonderful, make sure your store is laid out correctly, make sure everything's hooked up properly to get you sales. You're going to be in a community, you're going to get support, then you're going to be able to scale. So what makes this place different? Well, you get access to over 17 plus years online marketing experience, and I've driven over 7 figures in sales already. And I actually practice what I preach. So this place as whole is built on me actually doing it and you watching me do it, and then you learn, and then you can take action and build your own right alongside. You're going to see everything. Like there's nothing hidden. There's nothing worse than joining a program and then they hide everything. They won't give you like their store name or their store URL because they don't want you to see that maybe they're really not doing what they say they're doing. You're going to get unparalleled support too. We have a great group of people in there already. It is over the shoulder. I do 3 live training sessions per month. There's no negativity allowed, and I am fully committed to this. So that's me. That's my fugly mug. I'm Will. I'm also known as PPC Coach. I've spent over a decade, almost 2 decades now, training online marketers from around the globe. I started in 2005, went full-time working for myself in 2007, and I've trained well over 11,000 online marketers since then via my courses, coaching, boot camps, and membership sites. The forums are where the live training sessions take place. The replays are posted on our community where it lives. So How are you going to learn? Well, you're going to watch me do it. Remember that snow tire to summer tire example. So I firmly believe with anything, if you want to learn, watch somebody do it. Get them to help you. That is what this place is. When I say I practice what I preach, I'm dead serious. You watch me do it from zero to success, and I have the option at the end to sell my store once it's up and running profitably too, which is my goal. So the community is something I wish existed when I first started out, way back in 2007. Having this much experience means I've been through the ringer, and I've failed in the past, and that's why I succeed now. I'm not perfect at all. The format is this. We do 3 live training sessions every month. They're about an hour long. It's the first Thursday, second Thursday, and third Thursday of every single month. You watch me do it all. You can ask questions, do your own, and it's just an awesome way to learn. There's a nice video for you there too. What's the price? $49.99 per month. So click that button to join today. If you want to join for the year, I'll give you 2 months free. You can do that as well. So who it's for? It's for people who want to start their own Shopify store selling t-shirts using free and paid ads, but they're not sure how. It's for people who have tried to do this in the past but can't seem to get any success, or people want the most up-to-date training possible on Shopify, AI design, artificial intelligence, I'm big on that, email marketing, free traffic, Facebook ads, Google ads, and you're just tired of outdated training material. People who just want to be able to connect all those dots in the business, which involves a lot of moving parts, and action takers who know the best way to succeed is take action, understand inaction leads to failure every time. Who it's not for. Anyone seeking a quick solution, those don't exist. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In fact, it is very difficult. So I'm going to stop you right there. If you think you're going to open up a store and instantly make $1 million, you are not. Well, unless you're in the 0.005% of lucky people in the world, you're not going to do that. It's going to take time. This is not for people who like to blame everyone except themselves for the position they're in, when in reality, only you control your success or lack of it. It's not for negative people. You're not welcome here. The forums are a place of motivation and positivity where we build people up. We never tear them down. There's no such thing as a stupid question on my forums. In fact, the only stupid question is the one that you do not ask. That's it. That's the golden rule. If you're down to your last penny and this is your last attempt you'll be making to succeed, then this might not be the right place for you. Desperation is not a good place to be. It leads to poor decisions. If you love to overthink and not take action, this might not be the best place for you, although I think I can help you with that because I'm very good at overthinking as well. So why on earth would I try and talk you out of joining? Well, basically, my reputation's on the line. So I only want members in who are motivated and positive and in the right mindset. I do have a whole bunch of testimonials too. There's even another page with like 175 on them. But some questions that people are asking me, I'm basically, the number one thing is, what if you fail? So there's a chance I do all this publicly and I fail. And then I'm like, oh crap, what do I do now? Well, I thought about that too. And I thought, anything's possible. It is possible I could fail. There's no doubt. But instead of asking, what if I fail? Why not ask, what if I succeed? Reframing your mindset can do wonders for your success. You never fail at anything really, you just learn what doesn't work, so you don't repeat your mistakes. I'm successful because I failed a lot. And you'll even see in these live trainings as I go through building out this store, there are some things I do that don't work. And you'll see how I handle that situation and make adjustments so that I can get things back on track. You're going to learn this all live with me. Now, if you have any other questions, fire me an email. How will I be marketing products? Well, basically there's 2 ad platforms that I'm going to use mainly to start, Facebook and Google, but I'm also going to be using some free methods too. So if you're interested, go here, click that join now button. And when you do, you'll be taken to this page where you can actually fill out your information, pick either the monthly option or the yearly option, and then go on in and get started. I'm going to show you behind the scenes too. When you do log in, you'll go to the start here section. There's like steps that you have to go through. So read every single one of these. Just go in and read them. And then there's the intro. So go in and make an intro, introduce yourself. And then there's a general discussion. But down here is where they're called challenges. They're called monthly challenges. But this is like a really long challenge that we're going through and building out this store. So we start here. It just started recently. And you can see I've already got training in here. So there it is. There's the first one, there's the second one, and the third one will be posted, as well as if I have any Google Docs or spreadsheets to show you, I will provide that as well. We do have a good community of people in here already. This is not new. And as a bonus, you get access to all the completed challenges every month that I've done over almost the past 5 years. So you can see going all the way back to basically September 2019. This is all print on demand, everything. And some of it is direct to a print on demand supplier, and other stuff is to Etsy, other stuff is to Shopify, and other stuff is to WooCommerce. But going forward, I'm putting all my eggs into the Shopify basket, selling some t-shirts, because I like a new challenge. So we've got a whole bunch in here, covering a lot of holidays with print-on-demand products on Etsy and all over the place. We even did Shine On and Gear Bubble and everything else. So if you want access to those, join now and you get full access. I don't hide anything from you. And this one, if we go in here, you can see how many are in here. So there's how to create a business manager, ad account, all that good stuff. And then we get into the training. And back then we were selling necklaces over 3 live training sessions, but the replays are all posted. The key is go here, click the button, join now, and then you can log right in. You'll receive login information pretty much immediately. If you don't, send me an email and I'll help you out. Go join now if you want to build your own t-shirt business online without any inventory in a way, learning in a way that I haven't really seen anybody even attempt to do because it's a little bit scary. If I fail, I'm going to look really bad. If I succeed, it's going to be amazing. I'm willing to take that risk. I want you to come along with me and participate. So this is a place to learn. Come on in, hit that button. We'll see you on this side. Have a great day.